Hi everyone, my name is Abdel Nasser Ben Ahmed and this is my video CV. So, this is me, I'm 21 years old and I'm always smiling because I think that everyone should help other people by spreading positive energy. I'm always challenging myself by doing new things in order to find the best version of myself. I'm creative, I love fashion, design and colors, I'm motivated and so electric. I have a lot of energy and I love sharing this energy with people. I'm addicted to sport, exactly bodybuilding, because it's always helping me to understand that we can change thanks to hard working. In 2018, I had my baccalaureate degree in Science of Economics. After that, I have decided to do preparatory classes for top business schools. After 2 years of preparatory classes in Morocco, I have passed my exams and I was accepted in many business schools in Morocco and in France. After that, I chose Normandy Business School Campus Paris to prepare my master's degree in audit and corporate finance. Concerning my work experience in 2018, I created my own company which has as activity the import and export of seaweed. So, thanks to preparatory classes and my own company, I have learned a lot of things. So for this reason, I think that you should hire me. Goodbye and have a nice day.